Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides, Budget with Me, and Cash Stuffing for the month of November 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back. Y'all, I want to thank my wonderful 909 subscribers. You are wanted and appreciated, so thank you so much for coming back on this channel. I know these are one of the videos that are like the least exciting, I guess, or gets the least views, but I do want to make sure that at least I'm putting up all the content that I want to. Y'all, today is the day after 2 days after Veterans Day, and I'm just trying to put up as many videos as possible while I have a tiny break. If you hear sounds in the background, you know my baby is resting, so she's trying to wake herself up. I'm trying to get her to go back to sleep, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so today we're going to do a quick budget with me. Before we get to it, y'all, if you're new here on Roxy Rose Guides, I guide you through all of my budget, finance, debt payoff, along with other stuff I'm trying to get into, like cash stuffing, savings challenges, and blah, blah, blah. So please, if you like this video, if you like that kind of content, go ahead and press the subscription button below. Me and my little baby that you hear in the back would truly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and look at last month, because there's a lot of stuff going on last month. If you watch the last video of my debt update, I got to tell you about last month and how in October we ended up spending a lot of money. So did I stay on budget per se? No. But my budget was that I stayed credit card debt free. That was a budget win. Is my goal achieved? Not exactly, but it's, you know, a try in the right direction. All right, let me go check and see if I need to put her down. So last month, I would say I was pretty happy that I was able to stay debt-free. Not exactly confused or sad. I didn't want to spend as much money, but I was still happy. I think last month, you know, I was mad that I spent $20 on candy and 5 kids came to my door, maybe 3. So that kind of sucked, and we ended up eating a bunch of candy for no reason. My budget challenges: spending, especially on credit cards. I ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon because we couldn't leave the house, or because I couldn't leave the house. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff on there, and I probably shouldn't have, or, you know, I'm trying not to anymore. Then what adjustments can I make or improve? Definitely spend less. It's going to be hard this month because my goal was to have a no spend month, but it's already halfway through and I've already been spending. So spend less money. And key takeaways, the same thing. All right, so let's get into this month. Let's look at a glance of the month. So here it says, this is your second month of a blessing and a miracle. Because my baby was born almost 2 months ago. Almost 2 months ago. Currently, right now, she's 7 weeks. So I'm super excited. Enjoy your time as the chills arrive. Be grateful and appreciate the small stuff. It is getting cold, y'all. So we definitely went to Burlington and some other store yesterday. We went to the mall. Oh, we went to Old Navy. Everything's on sale at the mall right now. And we got a little winter coat and some stuff for her to wear. So I'm super excited. We got some holiday stuff, so I can't wait. My to-do list includes buying Christmas outfits, which I actually did. The plan for Thanksgiving, plan for birthdays, and plan for Christmas. The verse this month is rejoice always, pray continually, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Jesus Christ. Thessalonians 5:16-18. And we got to give thanks, y'all. This is a turkey. Somebody said, is this a hat? It's actually a turkey. My challenge this month is no spend November, as many days as possible to not spend any money. It's hard though, because I definitely just ordered from Amazon, and it's hard to remember that when you're not in the fashion of it. But I really have to make that a priority, because I don't want to have a bunch of credit card debt that I have to pay off every month. And even though I'm not showing you exactly what it is, I'm still accumulating it by spending. And even though I pay it off on a timely manner, it's still, you know, a problem. It's like I'm trying to get over hoops to it being okay to spend. And I need to make sure I don't do that, you know. So the Holy Bible is my book of the month. Gratitude is my word for this month. I need to save money, pay down debt, which is whatever I'm accumulating on my credit cards, and buy Christmas gifts. And I'm grateful for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a great time. By that time, this will be the first time the baby will be amongst a lot of people at one, you know, moment in time. So I'm super excited for that to happen. Let's go ahead and get into this month. So this month we have a bunch of stuff going on. We have the mortgage due. It's already paid. Progressive Auto. My husband just got a new car, so this is not the cost anymore, but that is the cost for me still. Then we have Earnest. We have Dividend. We have Aspire and Navient that's coming out. Student loans, the internet, the gas bill, streaming services, Earnest again. Then we have the phone bill, Mohila, which is that stupid student loan. And then we have our payment to be had at the end of the month. I have my own personal things that I want to make sure is done. We are already, boom, on the 13th. That's when this is being recorded. I am late, y'all, and I told y'all why. Taking care of babies a lot, especially newborn. So a lot of my time is spent either pumping, washing dishes, finding something to eat, trying to take a shower, trying to bathe her, trying to do this, trying to do that, trying to take a nap, or trying to get any form of rest. It's a lot. So yeah, this is late, and until I get things together, it's probably going to continue to be late. I'm just letting y'all know now. So we got the 13th. We got some appointments going on. I didn't end up going to this one. And then we have Brooklyn, who's going to be 2 months old on the 22nd. I'm so excited. So excited for that. And then we have Thanksgiving coming up just the next day. So I'm so excited. She'll be 2 months old. And we're also going to go get all her shots so she can be amongst the people and not get sick from them. You know what I mean? And that's about it. So let me go ahead and go into the bills this month, because we got a lot of bills. Zoom in real quick. All right, so for this month, paycheck number 1, we have tithes. We have the mortgage, which is already paid. We have Progressive, which is already paid. Dividend, already paid. And then we have Xfinity coming up. We have Earnest, which is paid. And we have Aspire and Navient. All 3 of these are student loans that are coming out. Then for paycheck number 2, let's turn this down so y'all can see it. Then for paycheck number 2, we have tithes again. We have Elizabeth Gas. I think Elizabeth Gas went up to like $50 this month. The roofer payment, Earnest, and Mohila. Elizabeth Gas went up to $50. Yeah. All right. So we got a lot of things coming out of our bills and debt this month. I want to make sure I'm paying off my credit cards to make them credit card debt free by the end of this month. So we only have a few more days. I got to make sure I'm not accumulating too much. Now we're going to go into something else, which is our cash envelopes. Our cash envelopes, which are actually right over here. I use this A7 envelope. But I put, for the month, I put all of my stuff in here. But as you know, this is late, so everything is late. And right now, this is empty. So I have to fill this up so that I have enough for the rest of the month of November. And that's what we're going to be doing right now. So, hold on. Oh, gosh. So y'all see, I already had to stop the video twice to just put the baby down. Okay, so let's get back to the cash envelopes. So for groceries, well, we got to take out our money first. We have money that we got from the bank. So I'm going to go ahead and use this little tray so we can put the money. All right, so we can count as we put it under a tray. So 50, 150, so 150, 70, 190, 310. I mean, 110. Oh, Lord. 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195. So you have 195 that we're going to put into this month. I'm basically a week behind, so all the rest of this money is definitely going into the rest of these and then going onto these. I usually do it separate. I show you guys this. I'm just going to show you both just to get it out the way because we got so much going on. And trying to finish this video before she wakes up. So let's try our best. Oh, we got money left over from last week. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to take out all this money from last week. And I'm going to save it for my savings challenges. So we have money in our savings challenges. Okay. Actually, I'm going to leave this 5 from this week. Because I want that to go into giving. I might take out for everything else, but giving I usually keep in there. Because I'm like trying to be disciplined with giving. Okay. So let's go over groceries first. Groceries we have 150 going into groceries. I'm going to put 50 in here. And this 50 for this week. We have gas next. Gas is going to get 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. And I'm going to put $30 in gas right now. And the rest of the 50 in here for the next 2 weeks. And giving, I'll put $10 in here. Well, $5 I'm adding to it, so it's going to be $10. And then $10 in here. The rest of giving. We have household. I'm going to put $20 in the household. Well, $10 in here. And $10 in here. Then for fun, or really it's spending, I'm going to put $10 in here. I don't know what I think I'm going to spend $10 on. Because everything's really just been going straight to my credit card. But at least I have money on the side for something. Okay. So now we have our A7, which goes outside with us. And then we have this that stays in the house. And this is what we stuff for the rest of the month. Okay. Thank you so much, y'all, for joining me. I'm going to put this 50, 75. Ooh, $75 is going into savings challenges. So I'm super excited about that. I'll put that on the side here. And y'all, I'm kind of like bulk recording. So there's a bunch of stuff here on the side that I'm going to be adding. But just want to let you guys know, I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful, wonderful, wonderful November. Be grateful for what you have. There's a lot of people that don't have what other people have, and you know, we take a lot of things for granted. So I pray that this month you guys are able to have an amazing and wonderful November. Take care. God bless. Give thanks. And Roxy Rose out.